This video will show you how to check out selected reservations. Hotelogix lets you easily check out a selected reservation. Let us see how. Right-click on the reservation you wish to check out. Click View Details in the context menu that opens. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing to make any changes. At the bottom of the page, click the reservation that needs to be checked out. Click Check Out. You are taken to the Payments page of the selected reservation. Click Generate Folio to generate a pro forma invoice for charges listed in the account statement. You may accept payments if there is a balance, using relevant modes of payment. Now, lock the settled folios to finalize the invoice with invoice numbers. A confirmation panel opens. Do you wish to close this folio? Click OK, the folio is locked. Click Checkout. A checkout card is displayed with stay details. Click Print to print the checkout card. The checked out reservation status is updated on the front desk, which is indicated by the change in color. This brings us to the end of the video on how to check out selected reservations from a group.